Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Is your bathroom sink drain giving you trouble? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to fix a bathroom sink drain leaks step by step, and I'll even share some bonus tips to make sure it stays leak-free. Let's jump right in. Part 1. Tools and prepped: an adjustable wrench, plumber's tape, a screwdriver, a replacement gasket or washer, and some plumber's sealant or silicone. Locate the source of the leak. Water can drip from a few places: the connection between the sink and the drain assembly, the joints in the drain pipe, or the P-trap, which is the curved section of the pipe underneath. Next, turn off the water supply. You don't want water spraying everywhere while you're working. Just twist the shut-off valves clockwise until they're fully closed. If the leak is coming from where the drain meets the sink, remove the drain flange. Check the gasket or washer underneath, it might be worn or damaged. Replace it with a new one and reapply some plumber sealant to create a watertight seal. Then, reassemble everything. For leaks in the pipes or P-trap, unscrew the connections and inspect the washers inside. Replace any damaged washers and wrap plumber's tape around the threads for extra sealing. Tighten everything back up securely, but don't overdo it. Hand tight plus a quarter turn with a wrench is enough. Once everything is back in place, turn the water supply back on and run the faucet. Check all the connections to make sure there are no more drips. If it's dry, you're all set. A few bonus tips to prevent future leaks. 1. Use plumber's tape. Always wrap plumber's tape around threaded connections. It helps create a watertight seal and prevents leaks. 2. Regular maintenance. Inspect your sink drain and pipes every few months. Catching small issues early can save you a big repair later. 3. Avoid over-tightening. Tightening connections too much can strip the threads or crack parts. Hand tight is usually enough. 4. Replace old parts. If your pipes or gaskets are old and brittle, consider replacing them entirely. Newer materials are more durable and less prone to leaks. And that's how you fix a leaky bathroom sink drain. With just a few tools and a little know-how, you can save yourself time, money, and frustration. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my kitchen faucets channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing!